In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the fuel filler neck on this Ford F-150. Let's get started. Open up the fuel door and remove the fuel filler cap. Remove this grommet. Use a 7mm socket and remove all 3 bolts that hold the filler neck onto the bed. There we go. Now if you go underneath the bed and follow the filler neck, you'll see a hose clamp that holds the filler neck onto the filler neck hose here. Use an 8mm socket and loosen this up. You don't need to remove it, you just need to loosen it so that you can push it back and we can separate these two. There we go, that's plenty. Grab onto this and separate them. All right. Replace this hose clamp if needed. Mine's in good condition. The other line here is actually going to be a clip-on line on the other end. You can see the clip right there. A little hard to get to, but if you can squish it with 2 fingers, it should be able to pop up. If you can't get your fingers in there, you're gonna have to use pliers. There's one tab facing you. The other tab that needs to be pressed in is on the other side. Nope, I got it. Now you should be able to grab the filler neck and remove it. And there it is. Take the new filler neck and slide it into position. Up here. I'm not going to bolt it on yet. I need to get it connected on the hoses first. Push the filler neck hose out of the way. Let's get the small line connected first. Oh, that just clipped in. Test it by trying to pull it apart. If it doesn't come apart, that's perfect. So now, get the filler neck hose and put it on the filler neck. You're gonna have to push it. Yeah, there we go. It's getting stuck on this bottom lip here, so I'm gonna stick in a pocket screwdriver and just try to pry it over. There we go. Make sure it's bottomed out all the way. There we go, let's get that hose clamp on. When you tighten up this hose clamp, just make it snug. If you over tighten it, it will break very easily and then you'll have to replace it. So just squish the hose a little bit. That's plenty tight right there. Now get your bolts started and snug them up. Once that's done, install this gasket or the grommet that goes around it and reinstall the filler cap, and there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.